How to use coins in AliExpress. Open AliExpress. Find Coin Store. Open this one. Or open Account. Click Coins. This is your coin store. You can check here total coins and worth of money. You can't spend your coins directly. You can only redeem your coins through discounts and coupons. Check these pages for discount price from your coins. Choose your affordable item here. Click Buy Now. Click Continue. This is your coins. Convert to discount. Do you have any doubt? Comment below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.